The Royal Cancun All Suites Resort is nestled on a sheltered beach on the north shore of the Cancun Hotel Zone with breathtaking views of the bay and Isla Mujeres. Free high-speed Wi-Fi is available throughout. All rooms have kitchens fitted with a fridge, cooker, dishwasher, microwave, coffee maker and toaster. A living area with a pull-down Murphy bed. A dining area and a private open-air terrace for sunbathing and open-air dining are offered. Suite amenities include central air conditioning, TVs, DVD players, telephone, in-room safe, hairdryer. All the suites are non-smoking. The resort offers 2 free-form pools, tennis courts, gym, beach massage service, a mini-market, bicycles, sailboats, travel agency, car rental and an activities program for children and adults. Enjoy La Palapa beachfront restaurant, the Italian trattoria and sports bar, pool bars. Express takeout food counter pizza delivery and room service. A complimentary guest shuttle bus between other Cancun Royal resorts is available. The resort purifies its own water. All reservations include 2 complimentary tickets for the Cancun Mayan Museum. Transportation not included.